Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda Tears of the Kingdom on Android, full guide. Start by installing a supported cloud gaming app and sign into the service account. Link your Nintendo account through the service if required, or prepare a compatible PC for remote play. Pair a Bluetooth controller, enable low latency mode in Android settings, and test stream quality on your Wi-Fi network before moving to handheld play. Follow these setup steps to get smooth gameplay quickly. Open the cloud gaming app and sign into your service account, then add the game to your library or link your remote PC. Connect a Bluetooth controller and check button mapping in the app, adjust audio and video settings for performance, then run a short test session to confirm controls and latency are acceptable before playing longer sessions on your device. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: a book I found eye-opening is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about resources while you plan gaming budgets and gear upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals on accessories you might want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Here are practical optimization tips you can apply right away. Reduce the streaming resolution and frame rate if you see stutter, close unnecessary background apps, and enable battery saver that does not throttle performance. Use a wired charger while playing and position your router closer or switch to 5 GHz to cut latency. Finally, tweak controller dead zones and sensitivity to match your play style for better aiming and movement control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.